Hello, welcome to volume for triangular prisms. In letter A, it asks us to find the volume of this triangular prism and to include the correct units. So here for the volume of the triangular prism, we're going to use the same basic formula. Volume equals the area of the base times the height. But a triangular prism, the base of the triangular prism is a triangle, so we need to find the area of the triangle first. The area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height of the triangle times the width or the height of the shape. So we're just going to put h again to stay consistent. So here is the base, 7 is the base, 8 is the height. Let's fix that b. So 7 yards is the base, 8 yards is the height, and 8 yards here is the height of that figure also. So now we need to do 1/2 times 7 times 8 times 8. So when we do this math, we want to multiply everything first, and then come back and do the 1/2 of. So let's do 7 times 8 times 8. Well, 7 times 8 is 56. 56 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 5 is 50. Or excuse me, 8 times 5 is 40, plus 4 is 448. So this all multiplies to give me 448, and I want to do times 1/2. Well, 1/2 is basically 1/2 is the same as divided by 2. So we're going to do 448 divided by 2, and that's going to be 224. 224 yards squared. And so this actually, remember, came from 448 divided by 2 because these are the same thing. Let's look at the second example. Letter B asks us to find the volume of the rectangular prism and to include the correct answer, the correct unit in our answer. So here, again, we have a triangular prism. It's a triangle. Our base shape is a triangle. Let's make sure we note that. The base of this shape is a triangle, which is sort of confusing because in the past we've called the base what the shape sits on, but now we're naming the base after the shape that it's made of, and it's made and named after the triangular prism. So again, here the volume equals capital B, which is the area of the base, times the height. The area of the base is going to be 1/2 lowercase b times h times the height. Well, 8 is my lowercase b, 6 is my height, and 9 is the height of the figure. So we need to do the triangle base and height first, so it's going to be 1/2 the triangle base, which is 8, the triangle height, which is 6, and the shape height, which is 9. And I know it's confusing that it's the height is actually considered a width here, or the width is considered the height here, but it's just how tall the shape would be if we set it on the triangle. Now we can multiply. 8 times 6 is 48 times 9. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 7 is 43. So we have 1/2 times 432. So we can think of this as 432 divided by 2 equals 216 inches cubed. So just remember that we're finding the area of the triangle and then multiplying it by the height. So 1/2 the base times the height of the figure. Good luck.